Obviously it's going to be really hard for me to show you guys this second one, but you can get to it without moving a whole bunch of stuff around. Just move this out of the way. Your 10mm bolt is right there, and then the electrical connector is right on the side of it. It's so hard to show this one to you guys. There's the electrical connector right there, and then the 10mm bolt. Let me see if I can get that. It's really hard. There it is. There's the 10mm bolt right there. So you can work around these hoses. You really don't need to disconnect everything. And then the other side is rather simple. It's right there. There's the 10mm bolt right there, and the electrical connector is right there. I just took off both electrical connectors. Be really careful because those clips, when you the push tabs on them, they get really fragile, so they're real easy to break. And as you do pull these out, you want to pay attention to which one's which, because they're not the same. That's the back one, so it is doable without removing all those hoses and stuff. That's the front one. So it should be looking like this now. That's the back one. And there's the front one. Now, like I said, it's a good idea to pay attention to which one's which. This one was in the back. You can see that the 10mm bolt mount is in a different spot. This one was in the front. So pay good attention to that. And then before you install these, they have a little O-ring on them. Go ahead and lube that up with a little bit of oil. And I like to lube the shaft just a little bit too, so it slides in easier. So just a light coat of oil or assembly lube. Make sure you get the O-ring good, and then I do a little bit on the shaft as well, like I said. sure you have it sitting all the way in the hole before you put the bolt in. Just get it snug. There's no real reason to use specific torque specs on these. Just get it tight. You don't have to over tighten it, but you don't want it to be loose either. So. Okay. Again, lube up the O-ring. Make sure it's all the way in the hole before you put the screw in. It's just parts cleaner. These do not have to be super tight. You should really just keep them somewhat loose because you don't want to strip these out later. So I just take them until they stop. I don't put any kind of pressure on them. That way nobody strips them out later.